I am giving you guys a review of DermRays hair removal device. I would like to mention that I do have a discount code which will be in the description down below, as well as of course the link for this item. So it is a at-home hair removal device, so you can do it from the comfort of wherever you want, whether it's of course the bathroom, your bedroom, the living room, wherever you want, as long as you have an outlet nearby. It offers professional grade results with a maximum energy level of 27 joules, which makes it a very powerful and efficient solution to a long-term hair reduction. DermRays hair remover does use a wavelength technology, and it is different from an IPL device, which is intense pulsated light. So now we'll open it up. And inside, it obviously comes with some instructions for you, as well as some manual stuff for the device itself. It comes with its own bag, a little kind of duster bag to hold it in. It has DermRays' logo on it. And it comes with your very own razor, which you use to prep your skin before, which is very nice of them. It comes with, of course, the device itself, which comes with the block that you then plug into another cord that it comes with, and then this one of course would be the one that plugs into the wall. And it's really easy to put together. You just have to plug it all in, so I'll do that right now. So all you do is take this one piece here, and this one plugs into the device itself, the one that's attached to the block. So you just plug that in, very simple. And then this piece here on the cord with the actual plug itself, which it does come with a safety cover, you plug it into the end of this block right here. And then from there, you just plug it into any outlet. So now that it's plugged in, you can see that a blue light turns on here. That's how you know your device is on. Before I show you how to use this device, I want to tell you some key features about it. Starting off with, it uses 810 nm diode laser technology. It provides deeper penetration, which targets follicles more effectively than an IPL device would. This device has a maximum energy up to 27 joules, which provides faster results with every treatment session. It has clinically proven results, which shows that an average of 82% of hair has been reducted up to an 8-week time span of using it. It is also very affordable compared to the salon treatments that you could get, and of course you could do it on your own. It is also FDA cleared, so it is safe for you to use at home. Best part about it too, you have a money back guarantee where you have up to 90 days to get your money back, as well as a 2-year warranty. So how you use it? Of course, by starting off, you take, of course you don't have to use the razor that they give you, but they provide you with a really nice razor, which is nicely packed and clean. You open it up, and whatever area you want to shave, you pick, obviously, that area. Shave it how you normally would, shaving cream, however you want, but make sure that it's fully shaved. So we have a cutesy pink little razor here. It has, oh, that's a lot of blades. 6 blades, I think. Very nice razor they give you. And also, it looks like you can even remove the head and replace it. So that's very nice of them to provide you with. And also, obviously, comes with the razor guard. And it is also one of those razors that moves around. So it rotates a bit so you can get a better shave. So I suggest using the razor they give you because it's a pretty good razor. So after you shave the area you want and it's nice and clean, then you can use your device, which I'll read it off with the manual for you guys because this is what they provide you with. So of course, like I said, you prep your skin by shaving it, and to turn it on. To turn it on, we have the power button right here, and everything that you do with this device is controlled by this power button. So you have to read the rules very clearly because there's no other buttons, so you gotta know what you're doing. So of course, to turn it on, you hold down the power button. I'm gonna face it down just in case. And on here even, it says to double press to enter ready mode, and that's how you would double press it, and it would go green on the side, and that's how you know it is ready, and that's when you can put it on your skin. On here, they have an indicator showing 6 different levels. Level 1 is recommended. They say that it is just the best for your first time use, and then as you get used to it, because it is a laser and the laser does get a little warm, even hot, they say. So suggesting level 1, and then as you get used to the treatment, you can start upping it, or as you build like a tougher skin to it, you can then obviously bump up the levels. And of course, everyone might be different, pain tolerance and stuff, so it's just trial and error depending on what you think would be best for you. So to change the levels, after you hold down the power button, it pops up here showing it's on level 1. To change it, you press it once, it goes to level 2, once again, level 3, 4, 5, so on, and then it just goes right back down to level 1. And then once, let's say I want to do level 2, I do that, and for it to actually start working, you double press it, and once you hear that sound, the side light will go green. That's how you know you're ready. And obviously when you're ready, that's when you put it on your skin, and as you drag it along your skin, it'll go yellow. So you need to make sure that your whole area is covering this front part, and it'll tell you it's ready. And as the light goes yellow, then you can start moving it, and make sure you move it very slowly for the most effective results, because as slow as you go, the more it'll be able to flash that light, which will ensure better hair reduction. And to turn it off, all you gotta do is hold down the power button again. And I would like to mention there is a safety mechanism, so you don't have to worry about it going off on its own. Pretty much if it is not in contact with skin, because it can tell the difference, it'll turn off automatically. Not off entirely, the whole sequence of it being like on the laser part itself, it'll turn off. So you don't have to worry about it like going off and maybe causing a fire. No, there's no worries at all. It has its own safety mechanism. Thank you so much, DermRays. I am so happy, so glad that you sent me this, because now not only can I do this out of the comfort of my own home, it is so worth it, very cost efficient as well as time efficient. You can literally do it whenever. It's such a simple process and the results are amazing. So thank you so much, and like I said, I have a discount code. Check it out in the description down below, as well as the link for the item, which I definitely recommend you go and get. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye, everybody!